Hello everybody, here we are today in a place called Los Alamos. It's an area right next to Torremolinos, a beach area and also a little village basically. I want to show you a hotel here in Los Alamos that we're actually going to pull down. It's called Hotel Los Alamos and here we go. Basically I wanted to do some video of it before they pull the whole thing down. It is ready for demolition apparently. So let's take a look. So apparently this has been abandoned for years and years, maybe just before the year 2000 maybe, and then squatters moved in. Just about to see through there. I don't know if there's any security guards, but so I was reading somewhere on Facebook yesterday saying they were going to pull it down, demolish it. There is a sign there all about demolitions. It's a big shame, to tell you the truth. I presume this was a very nice hotel and it just really got abandoned. Don't know how or why, but it did. These things happen. I suppose there's abandoned hotels all over the world. Not gonna risk going in there. Yeah. Yep. So if you go in there, they will call the police. Call the police, there's a madman around. But yeah, so there's actually I don't know if it's not really a sale sign. So I presume there was a car park here before and everything. Right now there's a petrol station next to it. I presume I can go this way. I've never been down here before. I'm not going inside, I'm outside. If someone shouts at me, then I'll apologise and leave. So I think the other side, oh I can see now. So this is pretty cool. Well, actually starting. I'm not officially inside. Wow. I actually saw this, I think the other day, going by on the train. The train line right there. I don't think there's any security guards here at the moment. There's a staircase there. And rubble. So I don't know the whole story. I've not investigated into it yet, but I would presume they're going to pull it down to build apartments or something else. I don't know. That's what they normally do here on the Costa del Sol. Sun right in my eyes there. Not really sure what I'm filming. But yeah, I think that's basically it. I can't go inside obviously. Just thought I'd do a little video. So whether the car park was down here, I'm not really sure. So maybe they're going to pull this down quickly with explosives. I'm not really sure. But it's a damn shame. Okay, this is the other side of the petrol station. I did notice when I was walking towards the hotel, there's quite a lot of rubble here. This is the side of the hotel. Very warm day here. You can see a better angle. Very tempted to go inside, to tell you the truth, but I don't want to get in trouble. That's the last thing I want. So obviously the car parks were all here, well, obviously, and looks like there's a swimming pool area there as well. Okay, there's actually a gate open here. I think that's very tempting to see the old and the new. They look really freaky. I don't really fancy that kind of house. I don't know whether you like that kind of thing. So I'm going to just do a video from here. I'm not inside. But I've got the camera's inside. Yeah. Oh, what a shame. So I think the best thing to do is like do a kind of an update, wait until they demolish it, and then try and find out more information about what it's going to be, basically. Right, that's a cool area. Somebody's sitting in the car. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like all my videos, click on that bell for any notifications of any new videos. Okay, so I'll leave you with Los Alamos, the old and the new.